Craig from Truck Smart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Here to show you a 2022 Ford E350 that we just got. This truck only has 33,000 miles on it. It's equipped with a 12-foot Reading body with all the cabinets. It's also considered a plumber's body. Back of the cabinets, you'll see a sliding ladder rack. There's also double ladder racks on the top. LED lighting inside. Trailer hitch on the bottom. This truck is equipped with a 7.3-liter V8 engine. Once again, it does have the Reading body. You also have a rear backup camera on here as well. I'd like to thank you for taking the time and watching my video. Please call me with any questions at 215-946-7221. I'm at extension 103.